Hello everyone, welcome to True Data Cheetah, powered by Delta Finso Private Limited. Today we'll cover Watchlist tab and Market tab and see what are the features in it and how does it work. Before starting the video, I'd like to give a short introduction about this software. In this software, the data are shown in real-time tick basis. It allows you to scan the entire market and shortlist the stocks within seconds. We have more than 300 plus studies that allows you to make various strategies. We have multiple scanners that can be used in live market and give you results as per your inputs. Watch market in a glance with market summary. Create multiple workspace and run it simultaneously. It also finds out strength and weaknesses of the market and change in trend with ADS watch. It provides BTST calls with advanced query feature. Okay, let's begin with the first tab. First comes the Market Watch feature. The shortcut for the Market Watch is F4 key on your keyboard. All the stock groups will appear like Nifty 50, CNX 100, CNX Band, etc. The features allows you to script the particular sector or a group. For example, I want to see today banking sector stocks or energy sector stocks. I'll simply go to the Market Watch and select that group. A table will appear where all the stocks in that group will show up. Select the table and place it anywhere on your workspace.
Now let me show you what are these options. First come the Add Script tab. These allow you to see the stocks from other group and show you in this group. You can also add FNO stocks also, like Reliance, Futures, etc. This is column setting menu. You can personalize your column with given data. For example, for this video I will select open high, 52-week high, 52-week low, etc. Check the boxes and click OK. As you can see, all the columns are added. Now, for example, you want to export this data into Excel format, you can also export it from here. Just click the export menu and then rename your file and done. Now this stock group will also save into your Excel format. You can also save this group in the software itself. Just click the save group and rename it, done. This is percentage graph option. As you can see, all the stocks in the group are represented now in a bar chart manner. This will help you to understand which stock is performing better and which stock is performing worst by just viewing the bar graph. The highest will represent the top gainer and the lowest will perform the worst. This will save you plenty of time. By just viewing the one graph, you will understand which stock is performing better and which stock is performing worst. Now let's filter out the stocks. For example, I want to see the stocks which are more than 500 rupees. Now I will just simply make a condition that current is greater than 500 and click apply. As you can see, all the stocks more than 500 rupees are filtered out. Similarly, on the other side, if you want to see the stocks which are less than 500, then all the stocks which are less than 500 will appear. Now reset the tab and let's see the next feature. This is NSE option. All the stocks in NSE you will see from here. Now we will see how to make your own customized stock list. Go to user defined, new user group, drag that column and place it on the workspace. Now, as I told earlier, how to add stocks, click on add script, write down the stock name and just click it. That stock will automatically added in your stock list. Here are the few examples. I have added ACC, Adani and Tata Motors. Also, I want to add some future stocks. Go to FNO script. Now write down the script name. For example, Reliance or Bank Nifty or Nifty or any other FNO script. Select the strike price. Select the expiry month. Select the instrument, either future, either call or put or option. For example, I have added Bank Nifty 35,000 strike price weekly expiry contract call. Just click show and that script will display on that table. Check that script and click OK. Now you can see the script is added in your stock list. You can track down the script and also save in your group. For example, I want to see the chart of that stock. Just double click on that stock or script. You will view the chart candlestick pattern. Down there is tick written. Click on that. That is select the time frame. We have tick by tick 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15, etc. and so on. As you can see, all the stock lists are added in your group. Now just save this group, rename your group name and just click add. It will take some time and your group will be saved. Now go to watch list again, user defined. In user defined, the last option, select it and you will find out my portfolio group which I have saved. Now let's move to the next feature, that is ADS watch. This is very useful feature. This will show you the strength and the weakness of the market on the basis of the relative strength. All the stocks which are in positive or which are in negative strength, or the stocks which does not have any movements, are shown in it. Ki how many stocks are in positive, how many stocks are in negative, and how many stocks does not have any movements. That is also the full form of ADS, advance, decline and same. As you can see, the green line is the advance line and the red line is the decline line and the white line below is the same line. The yellow line downward is the ratio of the ADS, which will show you the extreme bullish and extreme bearish strength of the market. The above table is the advance and decline table, which will show the result minute by minute. Also, you can see the ADS report on the index title next to the Nifty. These were the features of watch list. Now let's move on to market tab. The first come is the market summary. Market summary is nothing but it will give you a glance of the market. As you can see, it will show you the stocks which are more active, top gainers, top losers, which stocks are 52-week high today, 52-week low today, and also you can see here FNO stock also. Also you can see the stocks open, high, low, close, advanced stocks, declining stocks and the same stocks, also the total. Now let's move on to the next feature, that is indices. Indices will help you to understand which sector is performing good or bad today. As you can see, for example, I want to invest today in long stocks, so I will choose today which stocks are in positive. As you can see, pharma is doing good. Right click on the pharma and you can see the load group option will mention. Click on that. All the stocks in the pharma will show you on the workspace. In this, you can see which stock is performing good. Indices will help you to understand from the opening of the market only that which stock is doing good. I mean which sector is doing good, and in that which stock is doing good. This will help you to take investment decision and intraday calls and make it clear that which sector is doing good and which sector we should avoid. You can use this after 9:30 onwards. I recommend use this after 10 o'clock because it is more accurate. It will give you more accurate result. Next feature is market movement. Market movement allow you to see the market depth of the particular script. For example, I will choose ACC stock. In this, you will see price and the quantity traded side by side. This will help you to understand which price. This will give you the overall market depth of a particular script. Next feature is price alert. The name only suggests that it will give you an alert signal when your price is matched with your condition. For example, I want to buy XYZ company stock at a particular price, then I will just make a condition that I want to buy XYZ company stock at 100 rupees price and leave it on price alert. When the price touches that condition, it will show me an alert signal that your condition is matched with the price just now. Let me show you a demo. First, let me see the stock value. For example, I have clicked Tata Steel. The current price is 1117.55. So I will select Tata Steel and I will make a condition that, for example, I want to sell the Tata Steel stocks at 1120 price. The current price is running at 1117. So I will make a condition that when the Tata Steel stock will come to 1120 price, then it will give me a signal that I will select the Tata Steel first, then I will make a condition less than or greater than. I will choose here greater than the rate. I will type here manual value like 1120. In alert sign, I will write sell and then add. Now your condition is added. When the price will come to 1120, a dialog box will appear on the screen and it will show you the signal. Or else what you can do is you can type all the stocks which you want to purchase or which you want to sell at particular price. Write down all the script first and then you can export this file into CSV format also. Just you have to click save to file and it will save it on the True Data Cheetah program folder. Now let's move on to the next feature, that is comparative chart. Comparative chart helps you to understand which stock is performing good from the data of previous 1 month, or you can customize your date. For example, I want to see the stocks that which stocks are overperforming or underperforming with the baseline of Nifty. For that, I will choose here first script, that is Nifty 50 index, and then the group I will select here CNX 50, and then I will generate it and then I will click generate. This will show a graph of all the Nifty 50 stocks and their performance. Now click on show report. This will open a dialog box which will show the overperformer and underperformer stocks. Move your cursor to the graph to show the report. Otherwise, it will not show the report. As you can see, the date 9 June 2021, UPL was the overperformer stock and Tata Steel was underperforming stock. If you see the line, purple line above the graph, UPL was doing great in this month. You can customize the date. For example, I want to see 1st June till the current date, that is 10 of June report. Just set the date which you want to see and then click generate. And same as previous, click show report and you can see which stock was performing good and which stock is not performing good. The question arises over here is why comparative chart is important. Comparative chart help you to understand the strength of the stocks within the sector or within the index. Which stock is overperforming Nifty index. You can also make the baseline banking, IT sector or etc. Just as I did for Nifty 50, you have to select IT or banking, and in second group you have to select IT group or banking group. You will get to know which stock was performing within the sector. Thank you for watching. This was the first demo series of the video. The next video series will be about the chart tab and how to add charts, indicators, studies and chart settings.